Warning, what you're about to witness now may be really disturbing to the viewers. Thank you.
Got one. Go, go, oh, go, yeah, go, 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 go. Let's go. Cash on. So they party.
Hey yo, Nash, you go crazy.
I'm a party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want to. She like to do drugs too, she ain't love with guns too. They say you too hyper, but I think I love you. She don't want nobody, she don't need.
Hey guys, it's me, Community. Welcome back. Before I get into this video, I just want to say thank you all for 100 plus subscribers on the YouTube platform. I know it was not easy because I know the stress and hustle I went through, and I just also want to say sorry for the quality of this video. I'm actually shooting this intro in the night. I actually forgot to shoot this intro in the morning, so now it's actually in the night. Very sorry for the quality. So sorry. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my page, don't forget to subscribe, press that like button, and also comment down below. Don't forget to share my page so that you can tell your friends, so your friends can also watch. And yeah, I know I haven't really been active on my YouTube for a while now. I'm very sorry because I've been really busy with my personal life and busy with my online school. Everything was just tiring me, so I had to take a break for a while on YouTube. Been just focusing on my Instagram, my online class, my personal life, my family, you know, everything, everybody. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I know you'll probably be waiting for the bomb content. Before I give you guys the bomb content you've been waiting for, I'm just gonna make this the most requested video, which was my skincare routine. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials and also subscribe, like, share. You're gonna start by toning your face with apple cider vinegar. This is me after I'm done toning my face. So yeah, I use the African black soap. I applied that on my face as well. It has so many benefits to your skin. For acne and discoloration, it helps stop acne and also discoloration of your skin. So yeah, this is really good soap. I love using this soap because this is the best product at Baby Sacco. Make sure to go get this one, especially because this product is the best there is right now. And you can go to get this product, you're gonna go follow at your girl _ Zane. Maybe probably I'm gonna put her account there, I don't know, but I'm gonna put her username down there in the description box. Make sure to go follow her, then DM her to ask her for one of our mom's products. Her mom that makes this product very nice, very unique, and very organic and natural. Now I'm gonna be cleaning my face with this wet cloth I soaked into water. So there's a bucket of water beside me, which I'm actually soaking it inside to just clean my face. So that's what I'm going to be using to wash my face throughout this video. Now I'm going to show you guys how I made my homemade face mask, which consists of honey and brown sugar. Now I love this face mask because the honey helps your skin to be moisturized and it makes your skin to glow, and next the brown sugar helps as an exfoliate. So yeah, I'm going to be applying that on my face right now. Oh, and you're also going to use a tomato, one, then you're gonna cut it into half, then use only one of the half. So I use one of the half of the tomato. Then you're going to dip it inside your honey and your brown sugar. That is the mixture. Then you're gonna apply it to your face. So yeah.
Telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you.
So next I used this Baby Sacco hot chocolate facial scrub. As you all can see, this is the best facial scrub to use on your face. I really like this one because this is gonna scrub almost all of the dirt out of your face, and it's really nice. Like, look at it, just look at it. It's really nice. I don't know what I was saying, but never mind my nose though.
Coming out hard like 88, make a bitch levitate, baby face done, bitch, I don't play patty cake, charms in the carrot cake, carrots in the patty face, cop a new coupe, no top, that's the Cali way. Drop a little check, everybody lit. Drop a little check, everybody rich. Drop a little check, everybody slide. Drop a little check, everybody coming out hard like 88, make a bitch levitate, baby face done, bitch, I don't play patty cake, charms in the carrot cake, carrots in the patty face, cop a new coupe, no top, that's the Cali way. Drop a little check, everybody.
Guys, next I use this avocado and cucumber facial scrub. So I normally apply this only around my nose area because I feel that most of the pimples are on the outside.
No.
Guys, now I'm gonna be applying this face mask. So this is my best face mask I use. So yeah, I normally apply it and leave it on for 10 minutes. It depends on if it is dried, but I normally leave mine on for 10 minutes because mine is normally dried around 10 minutes. So yeah. Removing the face mask from my face. Next, you're gonna apply your everyday cream. This is another product from Baby Sacco. This is the nice cream. I really love the cream. Just apply your everyday cream, and also you can also add essential oils. So guys, I'm finally done. I'm actually very happy. You know, she is done. I'm finally through. Really loving my natural hair. So yep, look at my face, so smooth, looking good. You know, this is great, this is beautiful. You know, look at it, no acne, no discoloration, just smooth. So that's just it, you know what I'm saying? That's just it.
Why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my parody?
Thank you all for watching this video. Hope this video was really helpful to you guys. And now you see my skincare routine I do once in a while. I don't actually do it all the time, but you know, I do it once in a while. Thank you all for staying for this video. Press the subscribe button if you forgot. Also press the like button. Press the bell to get notified when I upload my next video. Yeah, please follow me on my socials, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, everywhere. I put the link down in the description below. Some of them don't have links, but you can see the username there. So make sure to go follow them up. And also on my Instagram, I make mainly Instagram hair tutorials. So if you want to do mainly different styles on your natural hair, you can go check out my Instagram at foresee later. The link is down below. I'll see you all